Michael, this is what I would like for you to be doing.
Okay.
I'd like for you to dip your fingers in our water and go around the edges of our wontons.
Okay.
Because that way they'll stick together.
I can do that.
All right. I think for our wedding reception, I got more feedback on this recipe than I think everything that we served. And because, you know, you say the Lady and Sons collard greens, you know, automatically pops up. So I said, how are we going to serve those collard greens, but in a nice, pretty way? So I came up with this recipe, and it's so good. Now, I didn't cook collards today. This is not my recipe. There's a little restaurant out here called Papa's, and they do a lot of vegetables. So Teresa went by and picked up a little container of collard greens, and they're definitely not my collard greens. I think there's pepper sauce in it, and they may have even put a little sugar. But I would highly recommend maybe cooking your own collards. In my recipe, it will be linked to this, right, Teresa?
Mm-hmm. Yes, it will.
My collard green recipe. So I decided that I needed something to stick those collard greens together. And I said, well, what would be more better than some cream cheese? And I picked the ham hock out of there, and oh my goodness, it made it so good. Just made it so, so good. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. All right, perfect, Michael. You got those all.
I can do that.
Did you miss one? Okay, now, Michael, since my hands are all gooped up, if you would do this now, just do it like a pie, you know, like that.
Oh, just one time.
Just one time. And if I filled it too full, I'll back off.
Okay, that's pretty full.
Okay. So just make sure you go around it real good.
Oh, I got.
Now I'll back off a little bit. But it was amazing, huh? Uh-oh, you may need to, uh-oh, I smell my grease. Okay, let me get over here and
Goodness gracious.
Yasa. All right. You just want to make sure you seal those real good. There we go. Drop them in a hot grease. Just like that. And it's not going to take but just a minute, y'all. Because remember, everything is already cooked in those. There's nothing raw in it. We just want to. Oh, my grease was about a little hot. What?
I made one that you don't fry.
That's that I don't fry.
No,
What you mean?
I made one that you actually smoked it.
Oh,
But if you smoke it, you'll get fried.
I think you're going back to into the 70s.
Yeah.
Is that right? Oh my goodness, Michael Groover. How did your poor mama get y'all raised?
I don't know. God
Between
bless
the
her.
motorcycles and the horses and the river.
She was tough.
She had to have been. One for your memories.
I don't remember all of it.
Huh? You don't?
I don't remember. It's a little blurry.
I bet it was. I bet it was a lot blurry. You know, that's nothing I've ever participated in. Because I was scared. I was a chicken. And I'm so glad I was a chicken. You can imagine serving these at a party. I mean, perfect finger food.
Uh-huh.
Perfect finger food. And it looks better than a great big old bowl of collards. I'm going to have my own as soon as I get these out. I'm so glad you like them, because we sure didn't get one that night. They're just beautiful. There's yours. It's hot.
I know.
Oh, my goodness. All right, there you go. Smoke it if you got it. Look, that grease was really hot when I put those in.
I like them crispy.
They're delicious, even not without my collard green recipe.
Well, I think the colors were good.
Delicious. Does this finish up all of our recipes for our anniversary?
Yeah, we had to.
We're going to be doing some more? What can I tell them to look forward to?
Shrimp and grits.
Shrimp and grits.
Yeah, taste that. Believe it or not.
I don't want to smoke.
No, taste it. Pretty good like that too, isn't it?
So we're going to be doing shrimp and grits and what else?
We got another cake.
Another cake, because you know what? The groom's cake, and then we got the bride's cake.
I forgot what that one was too.
It was that wonderful pound cake with almond flavoring.
Oh yeah, I remember. That was delicious.
Kiss me, you fool. Love and best dishes, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Remember those that cook together and eat together. Step on. Stay together.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.